When you don't have your kids and you get to sleep in a little and you order cookies for breakfast. You know, we had a productive evening. We need to make this a yearly thing. Hurry before we have to go pick the kids up. We've got to get this vlog edited. Got groceries! Lots of them. $250 of groceries to be.
I bought 2 meals.
No, that literally bought 2 meals, but for like 2.5 families because Ellie is on her way. She leaves in an hour. And when you have company, you feed company. But when you have an 8-month pregnant sister, you have options and snacks and treats.
When you came in and you were like, I've got groceries, I thought you were going to say, I've got
handbags.
I thought so.
Joel was so excited one year, Christmas shopping. He came home and I was like, "Where have you been?"
Yeah, Bonnie was all Snoopy, and I was just
Snoopy.
I can't tell her where I've been, but I've got to give her some information.
And it just came out.
Genius brain. I was like, she doesn't know the color and what it is. If I say handbag, she won't know what that means.
No, I was like, wait, you like really? And he was like, oh, I just told you what I got you for Christmas.
Act surprised.
Here's what's really fun about prepping to have people over is, okay, how do I even say this? I think my turning point not in my personality, but what really brought out my personality is about when I was Olivia's age. We were hanging out with my Uncle Calvin, which is my dad's brother. And it was the dynamic between my dad, because I'm so similar to my dad with humor and just like our personalities. And my dad paired with my Uncle Calvin is like, it's a whole nother level, okay? And I love my Aunt Buff, which is my Uncle Calvin's wife, and their kids, like they were just so funny. And I remember they came during Christmas break one time, and when my Aunt Buff showed up, she lined the counter with just food. And I loved that she did that because it wasn't hiding in the cupboard. People didn't know if they could have it or if they couldn't have it. It was all on the counter, so everyone knew that it was all fair game the whole weekend. And it was so fun. And so as I prepare for Ellie and Julie this weekend, preparing food for Joel's family this weekend, it is just a really fun thing to think about those people that I love and those people that I grew up spending my time with over the Christmas break. My Uncle Calvin and Aunt Buff are actually on a mission in New Zealand. So it's really fun that my dad and his brother are serving at the same time. And also on my mom's side, they have several missionaries on their side too. I just love my aunts and uncles, and I think that's why I take such pride in being an aunt, is because I know how important my aunts and uncles were in my life, and so it's really cool. Joel, can you hear me? It's so fun that we're the aunts and uncles.
Does that mean we're old?
I don't know, but Joel's like, I have an hour to edit. He's like, I'm gonna get I'm too excited. He's like, I'm gonna get the vlogs edited real quick before they get here. This is a different one. This is another one on top of the one. What? Yes, I would love for you to peel the garlic for me, but you gotta finish doing the vacuuming first. Do the landing as well, and this back rug. Olivia is vacuuming, getting ready. We're getting things just, you know, situated. I'm gonna start making some yummy dinner. The other day when we had grilled cheese and tomato soup, it was good, but like it did not hit the spot. It was just the canned soup. So I am making homemade tomato soup today, and I am setting this out on the counter. This is colloidal silver, and it is fantastic for helping you not get sick, helping you get over your sickness. I get this off Amazon, so I'll link it in the description for you, but I'm going to make sure to give this to the kids every morning and every night, and I think that we'll stay away from sickness if we do that. I should have been doing this a while ago. For the soup, I have 2 pans. One would be good for one family, but I have tomatoes cut in half. I have the tomatoes cut in half. I have cherry tomatoes in the various colors. I have red pepper, onion, and like an orange pepper. And then I take garlic, you cut the top off, and you lay it down in olive oil, and then oregano seasoning. I'm gonna put this in the oven at 400, and I'm gonna roast them. I let this cool down. and you take your garlic and you just squeeze every last bit of garlic out of there. And then you blend it in a blender, and that's your soup. I'm gonna add a little milk though to make it go a little further. No. Okay, I poured a bunch of milk in here to make it go a little further. You can see this has like a much more rich color. I forgot to tell you I added a whole bunch of fresh basil in here that I haven't before, and it makes it really good. Oh, look at the consistency, that's good.
Perfect.
Look in here, honey.
I can see in there.
Okay, well, it's delicious, and it is so much more healthy and like fulfilling than the can. There's nothing wrong with the can, but you know.
Holy cow, look at that blade. Keep climbing it.
This is my mom's blender. It means business.
It looks like a bully.
I don't know what kind of bullies you grew up with,
Just,
but...
I mean,
Me and Lincoln just woke up from a nap. Lincoln, let's sit up.
I woke up because it was loud.
Yeah, we were taking a nap waiting for you.
My
No, you can say hi to your cousin. Are you gonna say hi? Tommy, come here.
How's your teeth? Good.
Did he hit your teeth?
hi, handsome.
Hi.
Hi.
You look so cozy. I wanted that. I know. You feel cozy. Thank you. She's okay. I wanted her out anyway.
I wanted to try that.
Do you know what? You should just do it because it's so comfy. I mean, it's just like any other sweat outfit. But like, I like white. I do too. I do too.
Oh, you brought our dog.
Look who I found.
Wow.
Hi, can I have a hug?
He's like,
I need to kiss somebody.
Oh, it feels so
She's
good.
like, I smelled you coming a mile away. She loves Jared.
And I love her.
let the chaos
I
begin.
know, right? It's like, okay, Jackson, that's
So it
We need some symbols somewhere.
what?
Hopper's somewhere. I gotta go.
There you go.
I'll be right
Yeah,
back.
she's calming down now. There you go.
Or in the back. You know what? I say let the chaos
Yeah.
start and don't let it end. I mean,
Mom and
what
Dad
does that entail?
what are they gonna do? They're in Serbia. They can't hurt us.
Oh, no, I just want to enjoy. I want everyone to feel relaxed. I want everyone to feel welcome. I've got dinner going.
Oh, it smells good.
And you have a pretty tree. I'll take a picture in front of yours. Okay.
No, that's Grandma's tree. She's had that one always.
Two red ones. Where'd you get those? Probably. Okay, so all the ornaments came from Alice Lane or. No, they're old. We had it for like 5 years.
This from
And
this one from Alaska.
I'm gonna make copper ornament staff. You should. The dog groomers make it for him.
Oh, Mommy, I have a present that's coming on Monday.
I just missed it. Joel was out there giving them all treats, lady. No, lady.
Grandma, Grandpa, if you're wondering how the yard looks at night when it's covered in snow and grandkids, this is how it looks. And all the kids want to do is just jump. Ooh, that looks cold. Oh, God.
It's very cold.
Yeah.
Dad, I licked my hand and stuck it to a pole and it got
Oh,
stuck.
don't do that. Okay, you got to clear the way.
That's great.
I asked Joel if he was gonna go out and say, like, be with the kids for a minute, thinking he would just maybe go out. Nope. Leave it to Joel. Yeah, I know. Leave it to Joel to get the four-wheeler out. I hope these kids remember tonight forever. What are they making? Are they making a sled? A rope? Oh, they're on a shovel. The shovel is the sled.
And we just said we don't want ER accidents today.
I know, I was like, please you guys, I don't want to go to the emergency room. I don't want that to be my night. Look at those dogs. They're so happy.
So you're telling me Lady doesn't want to wrestle in the snow?
You know, she's not out there with them. And I don't hear her crying to go out there. Oh, look at him surf. Hi, Uncle Joel. The dog. Every time I see him by the... I know. And they keep jumping one on top of the other.
Oh, is Tommy in front?
I
think that's Tommy in front. Yeah.
How was Tommy on the beginning of that train?
No, that's not Tommy.
Oh, I was like, hi, little lady. Hi, sweet girl. All right, mood light, that's gonna go. We've got all sorts of things, wet things, being laid out to dry. And this is now my favorite part of the evening where, oh, Olivia, good night. No, Ellie was just like, it feels magical sitting here. And it really does. Presents under the tree looks pretty. Y'all look pretty. I'm so glad you're here.
I'm so glad we're here too.
I know. I'm not sure why my favorite activity is literally sitting in here for hours on end talking. But here's how we're ending our night.
Sleepy boy.
And I couldn't be more happy about it. He's so sweet and cute.
Sleeping by the Christmas tree.
Sweet and cute. He was up at 11 eating toast. I'm like, this isn't
I
fun.
know. It's sad. I don't want to turn the tree off because we've like enjoyed it so much.
know.
This is only the beginning to our weekend. So far, I'm very pleased with how the weekend has gone. Very excited for the rest of the weekend. I hope you guys are having a really great Christmas break. We'll see you in our next video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys. Wow, would you look at this? I forgot that he got in trouble, and I was like, go to sleep on my bed. He actually did it. He actually went to sleep.
Sure.
Where are we gonna put him? Just on the floor? Can he sleep just right here?
I'll go find him a blanket downstairs.
Okay. Okay.